Model, 1980 Volkswagen Transporter camper motorhome side opening pop-top MOT tax exempt. Body, yellow, white, motorhome. Mileage, 67,982. Engine, 1,584 cc. Transmission, 4-speed manual. Mechanical summary, tries to fire. But the carburetor keeps flooding the spark plugs. Carburetor needs replacing or rebuilding. Engine is good. Definitely worth fixing. Nice camper. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent. Average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent. Average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, wind-up windows, pop-top. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.